Every mother is a superhero. She manages so many things for us. And it is time for us to show her how much we love her. We can make a beautiful card for our mama to show our love for her. Here are a few things which we require to make the card. From the orange paper, cut a few circles. After that, cut these circles into halves. These will be the petals of our flower card. We need a few more shapes. Here are the shapes that we require. Now take the big yellow circle and apply some glue on it. And place each petal on it one by one. The petals should be very close to each other for the card to look more beautiful. So be very careful while placing the petals. Place them nicely, neatly and close to each other. Very nice. What next? Place the stem. We have to stick the stem. It's a thin strip of paper cut from a green paper which has been folded into half vertically. Okay, vertically we need to fold it into half. Now let's cover that empty space with another yellow circle to make it look even more beautiful. Yes, like that. Press it nicely. See, it will look like this. Now, take a heart-shaped green paper and paste it on the stem. These are the leaves of your card. The card is ready. We can write our message for our mama on the yellow part. Whatever message you want to convey to your mama, we can write on it. Here's my message for my mom. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Gift it to your mama and wish her a very, very happy Mother's Day. I'm sure your mama will be very happy to receive the card.
All of us are guarded by the most powerful of all the angels, our Mother. Let's celebrate and make it special for the one who makes our every day special, and tell her how much we love her. We are making a sash. We can use a chart paper or a newspaper. First, we'll cut this chart paper into 4 strips. Now, after cutting these 4 strips, we will take 2 strips and cut triangle in the corner. Let's join the 4 strips using Fevicol. We can also secure it with the stapler pin. Let's join the corner using Fevicol. We can also use a ribbon as a tie. Now let's make it more attractive using some colors. I'm using watercolors. You can use crayons. Now I'll write a message for my mom. Using a sketch pen or a marker, I'm writing Miss Pretty. You can write the best mom in the world. So our sash is ready.
Good morning, children. A very special day is coming and we have to get ready to celebrate that special day. Do you know what I'm talking about? Yes, it's the Mother Day. And we have to make something for our mother so that they are happy. Can we do that to make her happy? Alright. Do you know that mothers are queens of the house and queens of our hearts? So, we are going to make a crown for beautiful and lovely queens. Are you all ready? Fine. So I'm going to show you how to make a crown. Can you see this strip? You can take any A3 sheet, A4 sheet, whatever you have. If you have a A4 sheet, you will have to join them together. I have taken a A3 sheet and I have cut a strip of almost 3 inches. Okay, cut it. Then you have to mark the center of this strip, and after marking the center at the distance of 3 inches, you again have to mark it, leaving 1.5 inch from above, because we have to draw a curve like this. Then again we'll mark it and we'll draw another curve like this, and then another curve like this. Same we have to repeat here. We are giving it a shape of a crown like this. Alright, is it looking good? Now I'll have to cut it. So I am going to cut it now. It's very easy. We can quickly make it, and the crown will be ready for the queen of our hearts, our mamas. Alright, so this is cut. How would we make the crown out of it? It's very easy. Once we are done with all the decoration, we have to join it. If you have a glue, you can paste it with the help of a glue. Or if you do not have a glue, you can staple it also. Or you can use a tape to join it. You can do anything, and see, the crown will be ready. So let's quickly decorate it. You can decorate it with whatever you have. I had some glitter sheets, so I have made a few flowers. We can stick it. I have made a heart for Mama. It will look beautiful. I'll put it on the center like this. Oh wow, it's looking so good, isn't it? And I want to paste this flower which I have made here. If you do not have anything to decorate, you can easily color it in beautiful colors. You can decorate it with different shapes. It needs to look beautiful, and Mama is anyways going to love it because Mama's darling is making it. That's how you can decorate, and then we will stick it like this, and the crown for Mama is ready.
Good morning, everyone. I am your facilitator from the Millennium family. We are here on this day to salute the most lovable and important person in our lives, our mother. Without her, any one of us could have not been here. Today, we are going to have Mother's Day nail art activity. Help your mama in applying nail paints and show your creativity by adding fun shapes with a variety of geometric designs, including stripes, line art, circles, triangles, and other patterns. Hope you and your mama will enjoy doing this activity. Click a picture and share it with us. Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers.